Meaning of female.
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 Female. The term female typically refers to the biological sex of an organism that is capable of bearing offspring or producing eggs. This term can be used to describe a variety of living beings, including mammals, birds, fish, and insects. In humans, females have reproductive organs that can facilitate pregnancy and childbirth, as well as other physical characteristics that distinguish them from males. While the biological definition of female can be straightforward, the social and cultural meanings of the term may vary depending on context and perspective.